Hello everybody, we have got to be valid to confront the upheavals. I'm optimistic that nobody is as dead as a doornail. My dear, everybody seems the existing creatures. Having or facing the difficulties and obstacles is not a new concept in our life which adds up something different or something outlandish and something enigmatic in our lives. And there's a similar story I want to share with you that you can easily understand the real and phenomena of our life's obstacles and the obstacles of our lives. My dear, the real obstacles and adversities of our lives are handled by us because the real remote control is in our hand and the purpose is how we react to them. So there was a daughter who complained to his father that her life was totally miserable. When once one problem was solved, soon another followed. His father took her to kitchen and took out 3 bowls and placed them or set them onto fire. His father placed potatoes in the first bowl. In the second one, he placed eggs. And the third one, he placed ground beans. So after 20-25 minutes, his father came to investigate and examine that what had happened. His father turned off the burner and he called his daughter there. His daughter was mooning and wondering that how he is doing or what he is doing. His father took the potatoes out of the bowl and placed them in the plate. And he pulled the eggs out of the bowl and placed them in another plate. And then at last he spooned the coffee off. He spooned the coffee out or he ladled the coffee out and placed them into the cup. Now there's something which you can understand. Then he asked his daughter, "Now you understood, my dear." His daughter replied, "What does it mean, father?" His father said to him, "Dear, each of them had faced the same adversities and same problems, but their responses are different." Why? Because if you see, at first the potatoes were so strong and so much strong enough. But when they faced the boiling water, they became thin and soft. Now if you see the eggs, they were fragile at the beginning, totally fragile because of the inner outer shell, and because it is protecting the liquid inside. Now if you see, when it faced the boiling water, the inner shell of the egg became strong. Now if you see at the last coffee beans at first they were different, but when they were exposed to the water, they differently reacted and they changed the color of water. Now my dear, which one you are, it's up to you. Everybody has to face problems, but nobody has to be worried about. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.